What's up, y'all? So welcome back to my channel. I decided, let me let the windows up in case it's loud. I decided that I needed a little bit of a day out to myself. I have not gone anywhere by myself and just like done, you know, fun to me things in so long. Lately, the only time I've been leaving the house is to go to vet appointments, and yeah, I've been going a little stir crazy. I am gonna go get a Starbucks. I'm on the hunt for some elusive Starbucks cups that I haven't found. I have to show you the ones that Zach got me too. And I might just like browse TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I don't intend on like buying anything crazy with everything financially going on, but things are getting a little bit better lately, so I'm hopeful that things are going to be good. Let me start pulling out of the driveway. Bye. Oh, Sally's in the window. But anyway, I just want to go do some fun stuff, and I just haven't had any time just to myself other than, you know, filming stuff. But I was talking to Zach this morning or late last night when I was going to bed. Like, my schedule's been weird, and it's literally like I'm either watching the cats, sleeping, or trying to get some content done, which I love doing the content, but it's just nice to like take a breath. I'm letting my skin breathe. My hair is gonna air dry, and I'm just gonna like try to have a relaxing day. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna take you with me as much as I can, do a little vlogging. Hopefully it'll be like a fun video, but not too long. So I'll just show you the highlights of what's going on, and if I get anything, we'll see. So I'll talk to you guys later.
Never felt so much. I just can't shut up about you on my mind. You settle me down whenever you're around, I'm alright. I've always tried to be more than I am, but you focus my heart when you're holding my hand. I miss you till I'm sore. My heart hurts, 'cause I've never quite felt like this before. It's cliche, but it's true. I just really like hanging out with you. I just wanna be stupid and happy with you.
My hair looks crazy, but I got my Starbucks a while ago before I went to TJ Maxx. I always find way more at TJ Maxx when I'm not really trying to buy stuff, but I'll show you what I got later. It wasn't a whole lot, and I had rewards. I had like $30 in rewards from all the vet bills. So I used some rewards anyway. So I went to a couple different Starbucks looking for a particular cup. I did not find any of them. I found some okay ones, but like I'm only gonna buy if I find like the really pretty couple ones that I'm looking for, and I really don't think I will. But my favorite drink right now is the venti brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. It is so good, but I like to get a little extra brown sugar, and that syrup has really low calories. It's like 10 calories a pump. So I quickly checked the Starbucks in that Target, and they didn't have anything, which I'm assuming is going to be the case. Look at the sun, look at my eyeball. So I'm actually going to not look around that that Target, because there's another one I want to go to, and that one's usually not as busy. So I'm just gonna like browse around Target just for funsies. But first, there's a Marshalls / Home Goods right around the corner from this Target. So instead, right now we're gonna go to Marshalls and Home Goods, and then the last stop is gonna be the other Target.
I just wanna be stupidly happy with you. I just wanna be stupid and happy with you, because I am so stupidly happy with you. Days and nights, sitting in the room, talking to you.
All right, I am back home. We got some Chipotle. I have not eaten all day, so I feel crazy ravenous. Hello, all the babies. And Zach. And so I got my veggie burrito, and we got dips and chips, and yeah, so I'm really hungry, and I hope you guys liked my little hang out with me for the day thing, and I'll see you next. Penny's gonna try to sabotage me and knock this camera down, but anyway, I thought I would show you what I got at TJ Maxx. Well, I went to 2 different TJ Maxx's and then 1 Marshall / Home Goods. I didn't get a lot at each place or anything, but I've got a little bit to show you guys. And then I did find 1 Starbucks cup. I found this one, which is really pretty, and in the light it, like when you look through it, you see like a rainbow of colors, but it just looks kind of like rose gold. It's just got like this iridescent kind of feel to it. This little like diamond cut pattern. Several days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, I was like on my period having the worst weird anxiety feeling. I was just not doing well. I think Zach felt bad because he didn't do much for me for Valentine's Day. He got me the Trend Mood box, which I was totally happy with. But anyway, I had showed him some of these cups, so he went and looked while I placed a Target pickup order because we needed like creamer and stuff. My creamer, which we can't find the one I like anywhere, of course. But anyway, I was like, while you're at Target, maybe just check. And so he found one cup. He said, I'm not going to show you. That one's going to be a surprise, but it's not the one you're looking for. Okay, this is the one I was looking for, which he found later at a Target. So, oh my God, this is like so beautiful. It's like this jelly pink. He was on FaceTime with me. He showed me this one and I was like, no, don't worry about it, because I wasn't trying to get like a bunch of cups or anything. And I saw this one and I was like, oh, wait, that's like the lavender one. I was like, please, if you can, get that one. So he got this one, and then when you know it, that the one that he had picked out and gotten me as like a surprise was just the small version of this, which I'm like, I usually don't do duplicates, but these are really, really, really pretty. And tonight I could have gotten a small one of this, but I just felt like that's so silly. So I just got this one. And he also found the keychain. I saw somebody on TikTok get this. So it's a keychain and it matches. It's so cute. And it actually opens, which is so adorable. And it's just like a little stick keychain, but you can actually open it. You could totally put, you know, something in here. I meant to take this one with me, and then if I found something I could just exchange. I totally forgot to take it with me, but like, I don't know, part of me wants to keep it because it's so pretty, and then part of me is like, girl, you don't need, you know, I usually get the bigger ones, but because I use them for water, I'll make iced coffee, just really anything. So yeah, I'm really excited about my cups. He definitely found like the best of the best. So they have this color and matte, and then they have a mint matte one. So it's basically this cup, mint color, but without the like sheen on it. And honestly, the mint one was the one I was really, really looking for. And on eBay, they're going for like crazy prices. Anyway, I'm obsessed with these two cups. That's all the Starbucks stuff. So we haven't been drinking these as much. We just like add them. I always add them to iced coffee, but I don't have iced coffee every day. So we're finally running out of these. They're Jordan skinny syrups. I got caramel fudge waffle cone, s'mores. Zach likes the weirder flavors. He really likes this peanut butter cup. Cookie dough, I really liked that one. And then I just got salted caramel mocha. So I got 5 of those. I have the I Heart Revolution palettes, and I don't know why this one was there. I feel like I haven't even really seen this one. And there was another one that I don't have yet, but I have Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, Princess and the Frog, and Little Mermaid. So now I have Sleeping Beauty, and this was only $7.99. Take it for what you will. Are these the best palettes on the planet? No, but I really like them. I think they're cute, and you get a nice variety of like things. This has highlights, blushes, lots of shadows, and they're pretty cute. And then this I found was only $3.99. This Totally Plastic whatever collection, BH Cosmetics and Iggy Azalea. I did not care about this because I don't really care for her that much. This mirror is just so freaking cute. So it's like a heart with little devil horns, and it says Totally Plastic. I was like, for $3.99, I always need little hand mirrors, and my ColourPop cherry one is looking so busted because I use it all the time. Hey buddy, wait a minute. I took the plastic off. Oh my God, there was 2 layers of plastic. I was about to be like, bitch, this is one cloudy fucking mirror. There was 2 layers of plastic on it. Okay, so yeah, it's a decent little mirror, and I thought it was really cute. Zach picked me up. I told him to get the like Conair one version of the wet brush. It is so not the same, but I needed a wet brush desperately because that's like the main brush that I use, and mine was looking so terrible. I just got this one. They had these that were like supposed to look like stone or whatever. It kind of looks like a, I don't know, a slab of something. Most of them were $4.99. This one was $4, and Yeah, score, because I think they're like 8 or 9 at Walmart. I also got these clips because I saw them at every location, and I didn't buy them the first time because I was like, I'm not spending $8 on hair clips, but they are so cute. These are little seashells. I mean, so adorable for spring and summer. Yeah, I do kind of feel like it's worth it. They're so pretty. And I got lots of like silly like little things. It was just like nice to just go and shop, because I love going and like looking and seeing if I find anything good, and I haven't been doing that because I've just been really dedicated to saving all my money for Minner's bills for the vet. Thank goodness. You know, the GoFundMe was so helpful. It was only, you know, a small portion of everything we've paid, but it helped me out a lot to be able to just take care of a lot of those bills, like a big chunk of them. So anyway, I got this headband. It is so cute. This was like a no brand or whatever. Look how cute it is. It just says beauty headband. I also saw these necklaces. I felt like this one was just meant to be. So I've been watching, kind of getting into crystals a little bit. My battery said it was 51%. I'm wearing some bracelets. I asked about them and a lot of people were like, yeah, it's a good thing to get into. So I've just been like dabbling a little bit. So I saw this necklace and I've been wanting like a name necklace for me, just like Amy or whatever, but I saw this. It's an A, and then it's like a little rose quartz, but I just felt like that was so cute and just kind of like perfect and meant to be. And then this one just caught my eye. It is druzy quartz, and I think these are separate necklaces, but just so beautiful. And I was having a really successful night with one of my TikToks. I literally posted it while I was shopping at the first TJ Maxx I went to, and it started doing so well so fast, and I was just really excited. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself to some stuff that I wasn't planning on it. Okay, these are separate necklaces, which is nice, so you can wear them separately or together. And one's just like this little bar, but oh, so pretty. And then I did get a couple pieces of clothing. I have not bought myself clothes in so long. I mean, this isn't like, you know, this is kind of like playful clothing, but I got this little set. This was $20, and it's a longer sweater with the little crop top, like the fuzzy material. I tried it on. It felt so good. It was nice to have the dressing rooms back open too. I tried this on. I tried a pair of jeans too. No go. And yeah, so it's just a little set. It'll be nice and comfy. This was a really good deal. This was $20, and these are a two-pack of joggers that I feel like you could definitely wear just like around the house, but you know, as long as it's really casual, you could probably wear them out like running errands or whatever. But these are from Danskin, and they feel so soft, so nice. So I'm gonna pair this like tie-dye-ish with this, and then the darker gray pair with this t-shirt. This t-shirt was only $7.99, and it's got all the little soups on it. It's a little crop top. This was just something cute and fun. Another necklace duo. This one is like a little triangle, but that is also so pretty. So I really kind of splurged on myself with these. I did have a lot of rewards. Anyway, and then I also got these hair clips, which these I got first from the first place I went because I was like, these are more practical and I'll definitely use these. I don't have a lot of hair clips, but yeah, I kept seeing the shell ones. I mean, they're beautiful, but that's it. So I treated myself a little bit. I really like went back and forth about going or not because I just knew I was gonna feel guilty like spending money on myself or, you know, spending time away, but I don't know. Zach reassured me. I really didn't spend all that much. Hey buddy, let me show you my boy. Yes, handsome. His hair's trying to grow back on that spot. And this one's almost all the, oh, okay. Feisty. So anyway, I'm about to film some stuff. It is very late at night, but I'm really off on a weird schedule again. But I'm about to film stuff and hang out with my boy. It was really nice to get out. I think I'm just trying to make myself not feel bad about it. I was feeling pretty burnt out, like not leaving the house. So I think it was definitely good for me, and I think I'm set for a while. I like being at home. It's just, you know, too much of a good thing, like too much rest and relaxation. So I'm really excited to film tonight. If you haven't seen, one of my TikToks got like, I posted it maybe like, what time, like 8 hours ago maybe, and it's gotten like 20,000 views, which is really good for me. Hopefully that keeps going, but I'm about to be at 10,000 followers on TikTok, which means I can join the creator fund and make, you know, a tiny bit of money off of my videos and hopefully continue to grow. I'm just so excited that something positive is happening. So anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing night. You can probably tell I'm tired. I probably need some coffee if I'm going to be staying awake for another like 4 hours. Thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like these like one day kind of vlogs. I won't be doing this very often, at least not right now. Like I'd love to do this weekly. You know, just go out and have like a me day, whatever that may entail. It might be different than this, but for now, I don't know how often this is gonna happen, maybe like once a month. But you know, I'd love to have this as like a recurring thing. But if you prefer like my week-long vlogs, let me know. I've kind of slipped up on that a little bit because my days have been so redundant. Like watching kitties, doing my makeup, sleeping. That's pretty much been it. So thank you guys again, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. And my next video is a face palette declutter. I've started editing it, but I think I'm gonna get this one up first. So that video should be coming tomorrow or the next day if you're seeing this when I post it. So, okay, I'll stop rambling. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.